Okay guys, well we just had a call on our desk and we have some people that are coming to pick it up. They should be here any minute. So let's take one last look at what we did with this desk and then we'll run through the numbers. So the first thing we did on the desk obviously is to give it a really good cleaning, and then we had a few minor repairs to make. We took care of those, and then we filled in some of the scratches and dings and dents and some of even the natural stress marks that was there from the original manufacturer. Since we were painting, we wanted a smooth finish. Then we went ahead and sanded down the top, and actually once we started wiping it down, the top really came out nice and smooth, so we were ready to move on with getting everything primed. We used Dixie Belle Slick Stick and we primed all the drawers, and then we were done with that, we primed the whole body and the top of the desk. We used Sherwin Williams Emerald paint and Creamy to paint the body of the desk, and we used General Finishes Seagull Gray for the top of the desk. Then on the top of the desk we used Rustoleum Smoked Glaze. This is our first experience at using this. We thought we'd give it a try, and boy, when you put it on, it sure looks like a mess in the beginning. And even when you start wiping it down, you kind of wonder if it's going to turn out right. But after we wiped everything down and got it the way we wanted, we found that this really gave the top a cool look. And here's a look at that. Once the top had dried, we used Dixie Belle Gator hide to seal the top, give it a nice protective coat, and then we moved on to staging the desk. So here's how the numbers worked out on the desk. We actually listed the desk on Facebook Marketplace for $240. We sold it 9 days later for $225. Now this desk was actually given to us by a previous customer who just said take it away for us, and we said we'd love to. So our cost was $0. We used the existing hardware, so all we had in materials was really our paint and top coats. So that was about $20, and our total profit on this unit was $205. Time for the next one.